Hello, welcome back to Maci, English for Kids. Today we're going to learn about spring. Spring is a beautiful season full of flowers, animals, and sunshine. Are you ready to learn some new words? Let's jump right in. Flowers. During spring, flowers start to bloom. Can you name a flower? Now say it with me. Flowers.
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 Grass. Look at all the fresh green grass. In spring, the grass grows tall and bright. Now say it with me. Grass.
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 Rain. Spring has a lot of rainy days. The rain helps the plants grow. Now say it with me. Rain.
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 Umbrella. Uh-oh, here comes the rain. In spring, we need an umbrella to stay dry. Now say it with me. Umbrella.
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 Rainbow. After the rain, sometimes we see a beautiful rainbow. It has so many colors. Now say it with me. Rainbow.
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 Sunshine. In spring, the days are longer and there is lots of sunshine. It feels warm and nice outside. Now say it with me. Sunshine.
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 Picnic. Spring is the perfect time for a picnic. People love to eat outside in the warm weather. Now say it with me. Picnic.
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 Caterpillar. In spring, we can see caterpillars. They eat leaves and later turn into butterflies. Now say it with me. Caterpillar.
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 Ladybug. Look at this little red bug with black spots. Ladybugs are small and friendly insects we see in spring. Now say it with me. Ladybug.
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 Frog. Ribbit, ribbit! Frogs love spring because of all the rain and ponds. Now, say it with me. Frog.
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 Dandelion. Dandelions are special flowers. When they turn white and fluffy, you can blow them into the air. Now say it with me. Dandelion.
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 Butterfly. In spring, butterflies fly around looking for flowers. They are so colorful and pretty. Now say it with me. Butterfly.
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 Bee. Bees are busy in spring. They fly from flower to flower, collecting nectar to make honey. Now say it with me. Bee.
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 Nest. In spring, birds make nests to keep their eggs safe. Soon, little baby birds will hatch. Now say it with me. Nest,
nest,
nest.
nest.
Great job, everyone. Let's review all the words we learned today. Flowers,
Flowers,
grass,
grass,
rain,
rain,
umbrella,
umbrella,
rainbow,
rainbow,
sunshine,
sunshine,
picnic,
picnic,
caterpillar,
caterpillar,
ladybug,
ladybug,
frog,
frog,
dandelion,
dandelion,
butterfly,
butterfly,
bee,
bee,
nest.
nest.
Say them with me one last time. Flowers,
Flowers,
grass,
grass,
rain,
rain,
umbrella,
umbrella,
rainbow,
rainbow,
sunshine,
sunshine,
picnic,
picnic,
caterpillar,
caterpillar,
ladybug,
ladybug,
frog,
frog,
dandelion,
dandelion,
butterfly,
butterfly,
bee,
bee,
nest.
nest.
Wow, you did an amazing job today. Spring is such a wonderful season full of colors, animals, and fun. Keep practicing by looking for these things around you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Maci English for Kids for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye!